In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Google Maps location on your Wix website. So for this, you want to sign into your Wix account, go to Site Actions, and then click on Edit Site. This should send you over here to the classic Wix editor. Once you're here, you want to click on the plus icon, click on Search, click on or search for Maps. Then right there, you'll find Google Maps. You want to click on that, which will send you over here. And this is where you can find the Google Maps layouts. So they have a couple of them available, actually quite a lot. So you want to find one that you would like to use and display on your website. Let's say I want to go with this one, or maybe that one with the sky blue spots. You then add it, and you can then basically manage locations. You can add one location or multiple, and this is where you can add an address. So right there, you would add your address from your business or your house or whatever address you want to add. You simply type it in over here. You can give it a title. For example, you can say my office. You can add a description. This is where my office is located. You can even add a link. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can add Google Maps on your website. You can make this bigger and smaller, of course, if you want to. People can then use the 3D view as well. You would then place this on your website wherever you want to place this. So I know this kind of looks random, it's just a test website, but yeah, place this wherever you need it. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add Google Maps on your Wix website. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.